Welcome to this quick and helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to stop Opera browser from saving and automatically filling in your payment methods. Whether you're using Opera for privacy or simply want more control, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and quickly. First, open your Opera browser. Next, click on the red Opera logo located at the top left corner of the window. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. Look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Privacy and Security. Then scroll down and click on Advanced. Now find the section labeled Autofill and Passwords. Click on Payment Methods. Inside this section, you will see an option called Save and Fill Payment Methods. To stop Opera from saving and auto-filling payment information, simply turn this option off. And that's it. You've successfully disabled payment autofill in Opera. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. If you have questions, feel free to leave a comment below.